Ever wondered why belly fat seems to be the most stubborn? You eat less, you move more, and somehow, that belly just stays. But what if I told you there's a smarter way to lose belly fat fast, without lifting a single dumbbell or stepping inside a gym? Sounds impossible, right? It's not. And by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how to burn belly fat effectively from home, backed by science and results. Before we start, hit that subscribe button because the methods I'm about to share can change your body, your health, and even how you feel about yourself. Let's start with the truth. Belly fat isn't just fat. It's actually visceral fat, the kind that wraps around your organs. And it's not only about looks. It's the most dangerous fat in the human body. It increases your risk of heart disease, diabetes, and even certain cancers. So when you lose belly fat, you're not just doing it for appearance. You're literally extending your life. Now here's the problem. Most people believe exercise alone burns belly fat. That's wrong. You can do 1,000 sit-ups a day and still not see results. Why? Because abs are made in the kitchen, not the gym. Let's talk about how. The first rule to lose belly fat fast: you must control insulin. When insulin levels stay high, your body stores fat. When insulin drops, your body burns fat. So how do we keep insulin low? Through smart eating and daily habits. Step 1. Intermittent fasting. This isn't starvation, it's timing. You simply shorten your eating window. For example, you eat between 12 p.m. and 8 p.m. That gives your body 16 hours to burn fat. During those 16 hours, your insulin drops. Your body finally gets the signal: we're not eating now. Let's use stored fat. If you stay consistent, you'll see belly fat melting within 10 to 14 days. Add water and black coffee to your morning routine. Both help suppress hunger naturally. Step 2. Cut refined carbs. White rice, bread, soda, pastries. These are your biggest belly builders. Replace them with high-fiber foods like oats, vegetables, and brown rice. The less sugar your body processes, the faster fat breaks down. Step 3. Sleep and stress. When you sleep less than 6 hours, your cortisol spikes. That hormone tells your body to store more belly fat. So if you're skipping sleep, you're literally feeding your belly. Aim for 7 to 8 hours every night. No gym, no treadmill, just quality rest and balance. Now, here's something powerful: NEAT movement. It means non-exercise activity thermogenesis. Simply put, all the calories you burn doing normal things. Walking, cleaning, dancing, even fidgeting, they all count. Try this. Walk after every meal for 10 minutes. That one simple trick lowers your blood sugar and keeps insulin stable. It's a game changer. Want a secret beverage combo that burns belly fat faster? Mix warm water with lemon and a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Drink it before breakfast. It boosts digestion, supports metabolism, and reduces bloating. Now let's talk about mindset. Most people fail not because the method doesn't work, but because they quit too early. Your belly didn't appear overnight. It won't vanish overnight either. But the beauty of this no-gym method is consistency. You're not relying on expensive memberships or strict routines. You're just being smart with what you already do daily. By week 2, you'll notice your clothes fitting differently. By week 4, people will start asking what you're doing. And by week 6, your mirror becomes your motivation. Want to accelerate results? Here's the bonus. Drink water before meals. It helps you feel full, eat less, and improves digestion. Add more protein: eggs, fish, beans, or Greek yogurt. Protein helps you burn more calories during digestion than carbs or fats. It also keeps you full for longer. Now let's debunk one final myth. No, you cannot spot reduce fat, but you can target habits that affect where fat is stored. And that's exactly what you're doing with this plan. You're improving your hormones, boosting your metabolism, and training your body to be a natural fat-burning machine. So let's recap. Number 1. Intermittent fasting. Number 2. Cut refined carbs. Number 3. Manage stress and sleep. Number 4. add neat movement. And number 5, stay hydrated and protein focused. No gym, no heavy lifting, just results. And if you stick to this plan, you'll not only lose belly fat fast, but keep it off permanently. Now tell me, which of these 5 methods do you think you can start today? Comment below. Let's see how many of you are ready to start your transformation now. And remember, you don't need to be perfect, you just need to begin. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with a friend who's been struggling with belly fat. Because the truth is, sometimes, the best workout starts with what you don't do.